Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that you are going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome you onto my channel, guys. I need to wake up and go to work. When Fangvo guess and eat. But either way, yeah, Ama Summers recently took place, and hi. Mina bengazi ukuthi Somizi manje seyi-designer bafethu. I did not know. Apparently Somizi now is a designer. Yini Sompaya Kids Nefem FEMME. Allegedly, this is all alleged, by the way. Yeah, Somizi uyilona ke bafethu. New designer. Guys, I can't be more stressed. Guys, phezulu kwako konke esibhekana nakho in this country, now we have to deal with this. Yeah. Nina nesicabangeli yazi. Okay, so Somizi, what happened is he dressed Uzi Nxumalo, and he also dressed Umakhadzi. Okay, with Uzi Nxumalo, the outfit is he right. Check it out. Yeah, you're right. Yabo. Into futhi lamahlomba edgy. Yabo, high fashion. Afaka le vavavum le drama. Hayi. Into amenze yona uMakhadzi, bheka uMakhadzi. uMakhadzi phela bafethu ngathi yazi podium lasesontweni efuthe emaromeni mayidecorate noma ifake le ndwangu kwafake indwangu. Yo, ngathi iyo ayimbi lento le yindlela kodwa bafethu uSomizi wayenza kanje wayeseba designer, guys, and uzofuna vele ukufaka his touch into lama pieces akhe athi it's art. It's ay ngikhumbula one time bebe close. I don't know if they're still close with Lebo Molax. So there's this other time I even said, which, yo, I hope if fashion sense Somizi does not rub off Lebo Molax. Next thing somebody Molax go kanje. Kan wayenza nje. Yeah, ngifuna ukuzibona se right. Yeah, ngifuna ukuzibona se right. Wayenza kanje. Ayigcinike lapho. This is what Mohale did. Zakal. Those Zakal. And that throw shade on. Yo? And leave it on hands.
Now to my designer. Wow, where do I even start? I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt thanks for creating the most stunning outfit for my matrico. You truly made my vision come to life, and I couldn't have asked for more perfectly. From the very first consultation to the final fitting, you were so patient and dedicated to making sure I felt amazing and confident. Your talent and attention to detail is truly unmatched, and I feel absolutely beautiful, especially the design you crafted. The amount of effort you put into every stitch and every choice did not go unnoticed, and I'm so grateful for your hard work and creativity. Thank you for being part of such an important moment in my life. I will cherish the memories forever of my matrico and your...
Uyayibona nje lento egqokugel nayo. Hayi. Iyafana nje. Mina futhi at first I thought it was one of ama pieces aSomizi collection yakhe. Hayi, uSomizi angenzi kanje. Hayi. uSomizi bafethu yazi nene strong. And uMakhadzi akanankinga. Akana stress. Yena nje futhi uyithanda idress. This is what she had to say. Yeah. Tell me what you think about this whole thing down below. Aye, bafethu. We're already going through a lot. This is the last thing as eating as a country. And men kancane.